Hi, my ambitious friend. This is Sabrina, your host. Welcome to the Powerful and Passionate Healthcare Professionals podcast. For the past 5 years, I've been obsessed about learning how to become a better provider, a team player, and a leader in the realm of cardiothoracic surgery, and went back to my roots in neuroscience and public health, linking mental immunity to productivity. Every week, I will empower you to take small and achievable actions so you can make the impacts that you're born to make and become a confident leader who are living purposefully and fulfilled to truly be both a powerhouse in your career and a passionate person in life without feeling overwhelmed, underappreciated, or undervalued. So, what can you expect from this podcast? Number one, we will have different healthcare professionals to share their raw, true story of their journey in medicine. Number two, having educational presentations as well as expert discussions with me on various topics ranging from personal growth to business development, financial intelligence, and strengthening our relationships with our loved ones despite of how busy we are. Let's take a journey together so we can be powerful and passionate again. Hi, my friend. This is Sabrina, your host. Welcome to episode 0 of our Powerful and Passionate Healthcare Professionals podcast. My journey really started about 4 years ago. It was barely 8 o'clock in the morning. I was exhausted, barely slept, and I was running a fever of 101 degrees. My body felt so weak that everything felt like it was in slow motion. But those were not really the problems. The real problem was I was standing there in front of a patient with my hands inside his open chest, feeling cramped. Well, attempting with all that I had to finish this open heart surgery with one of my attending physician, while knowing that I'm not going to have a break for at least another 5 hours. I really didn't know if I can last that long. Then the beeper that was paging me all night just went off again. I was just thinking, what do they want now? That loud noise made my exhaustion that much harder to hide from the rest of my team. One of the nurses took pity on me and kept passing Dayquils and cough drop under my mask. I was so grateful for her kindness. So tell me if you were there too. Sick, worn out, running on zero sleep, forgetting to eat. Then you woke up the next morning, feverish and coughing. You're in healthcare. But it doesn't take an advanced degree to tell you that you need to stay home and sleep. And when you call in, your boss acts like you're inconveniencing him. That was what happened to me the next day. I really couldn't move, covered with nice sweat. And the answer I got on the phone from my boss was, Sabrina, why didn't you tell me you're sick sooner? Don't make a habit out of this. The pressure is real. It's intense. And you love your career, but you're starting to wonder, how much longer can you hold on? How much longer can you just keep going, working these long hours, disrupting your family and friends' time when you're on call and feeling so underappreciated? Again, you're in healthcare. You probably can last longer than normal people, right? But why? Why struggle? Why allow yourself to live into this overwhelmed? Why stress out? You know, it's not good for you. As someone who always wanted to be ambitious and driven, I used to be like that, saying, yes, I got this, like my default. I kept pushing myself to the limit, hardly ever allow myself to stop. So I'll take on another consultation. Yes, I'll do that procedure. I'll review the chart. Just keep going. But I was never seen as doing enough. Now, these are the distracting yeses that will take away your precious time, energy, and sanity. We all worked very hard to get to where we are right now. We didn't do it just to hate every moment we spent working or simply give up and jump ship to something completely new just because we felt undervalued or unappreciated. I believe with the right system, you as the ambitious young healthcare professionals can be both powerhouses in your careers and passionate people in life. I had to go back to my root of neuroscience and public health, dug out my own thesis on self-care and self-efficacy from 10 years ago, and spent thousands of dollars on various self-led programs learning from these experts, and realized without a one-on-one coach, I was not seeing my own blind spots. Now, after struggling for years, I finally coached myself out of that constant exhaustion and create a system that turned my life around. I now love working in surgery again and empowering other young, ambitious healthcare professionals with demanding careers just like me to have a life full of heck yes, so you can start your day feeling excited while rising up as leaders in your field. Truly feel powerful and passionate again. Let me share with you the 3 simple steps that have been working for me. Number 1, create mental immunity. It is as important as having your physical immunity. So then you can conquer any unpredicted roadblocks in life. Number 2, have a clear definition of your motivation. You have to say no to vagueness. Then you can dream big and achieve more. Number 3, allow yourself to have these micro vacations daily. When you can put your self-care first, then you can give the best of you, not what's left of you. But that requires conscious intention, and you need to have the energy to continue to recharge your battery, so then you can get to the things you truly want to do and not just your obligations, and get things done a lot faster. Go to sabrinarunbeck.com/energy, where I take you through a simple exercise to bring back your energy, alertness, and brighten your vision in just 2 minutes. Picture a day where you can keep going throughout the day without feeling the constant stress or feeling you're always playing catch up. Picture a day when your loved ones come up to you and say to you, "Wow, you seem to be happier and less stressed." Picture a day when you think back your life that you have created, you felt a sense of proud, focus, and there's a lightness about you. I have a final thought for you. You can be both powerful and passionate, or you can overcome any mental roadblocks keeping you from success. You can be both powerful and passionate, where you no longer are distracted by these maintain busy work and focusing only on the things that truly matter. You can be both powerful and passionate, where you feel energized from the moment that you get up to the time that you go to bed. Join me, and together we can create a life where you can be both powerful and passionate. All right, my friend, did you like this episode? Are you excited about taking on this journey with me? I am totally psyched. So subscribe to our show on your favorite device, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Stitcher, so you can continue to build more positive intelligence for that beautiful mind of yours and be both a powerhouse in your career and a passionate person in life.